What's up, YouTube? Silver Trucker here. Now I'm out here at the KOA with my family, doing some camping for the weekend. First time doing it. Just want to come in and show you guys what I'm doing currently. I'm gonna be uploading this probably tomorrow when I get home, my computer. But I'm gonna be starting to make more videos, putting out more content. I got everything all lined up for it. Let me show you guys where I'm at. This is where I'm at. We got the food on. The wife is going to get some fun activities for us to do tonight. As you can see, everybody's in their tents and cabins and stuff, getting ready for the night. There was a lake here, but it's not here anymore. Yeah, so later on, my wife and I, we're going to be telling scary stories with the kids. As you can see, there's a fire there in the background. But yeah, I got a couple of videos of stuff I've been doing in my trucking that I got to upload. I will be doing a second video of my dash cam that I recently just reviewed like a year ago. So I'm going to be doing an update on that, a follow-up video on that dash cam, the rving 500. So I'm going to be doing it. Going to be uploading that. Well, I'm going to be making a video for that soon. So just starting to get back into the groove of making videos and stuff like that. I know I've been gone for a while. That's because I just been working on my career. So I got everything situated with my career. I'm no longer over the road anymore. I'm actually a local driver. I drive for JB Hunt now, so I'm able to do more stuff with my family, and it leaves me more room to do stuff like this, camping and stuff. So far I'm going to be making so far everything is going good with JB Hunt, and I'm going to be doing a review of my year with JB Hunt so far. So look out for that, and I'm going to be making some good content. So this Silver Trucker signing out, and you guys stay good out there.